Okay, yeah. So hi everyone, in this video we are talking about memory context. So what is the memory context and how the effect on our LLMs like Claude Code, OpenClaw, or any of LLMs you are using or software you are using, in that how the memory is useful, or how from this context memory how we can save the tokens pricing or other all things. I show you all the things. Okay, so what is context memory? So the main definition is context memory is referred to the ability to AI system or humans to store the recall and utilize the relevant information based on the specific circumstances, environment or past. This is the theoretical, but what the real is, context memories help to store, recall and utilization things. Okay, basically what's the memory do? Memory is doing like store the things, storing the data. In our case, they are storing project files, context, data, database, past, prompts, output. Okay, these are the examples how the memories work in LLMs. Okay, for the context is the current situation, situation including the surrounding and circumstances and the relation between the facts and determine how the memory is applied. Okay, so there is a every project's file context, database, past, prompts, output, there has some context. Okay, this related to your projects. Like if this is a project like right now this is no folder open. If there is any folder is open here, so Claude Code or Codex or any Copilot are referring to this specific projects. Okay, they are counting, they are talking to the same projects. Okay, like if you are opening the Claude Code here, wait for 2 minutes. Terminal my opening. CLND. And the second one is we are using Codex. Okay, see the what I mean, like perfect. So Codex I open, but they are referring to this specific directory workspace. Okay, they are not talking outside of this. The same thing is here. The OpenAI Codex is referring to this project directory, not the outside. Okay, this I tell you one thing. If you are doing simple thing, okay, so if every time the code base is too long, like more than you are working on a vast project, code line is 500 lines of code in every file. You are building some vast application, mobile application, web design application. So Claude Code or any LLM, just like Copilot, can see a Copilot application, and you are using any of LLM, Claude, ChatGPT, OpenAI, ChatGPT, GPT-4, Codex, on any LLM, but they are forgetting the context of your projects. Okay, if you are adding again and again, if you are restarting the projects, just like you hit the limits of today, okay, and then you come to tomorrow and you start with again, and then your LM is forgot about the what the projects detail, what the projects are on, based on what you are building. So here this help, the plugins come here. There is 2-3 plugins which help in. First plugin I recommend you, Claude Mem. This Claude Mem you are using, this will help you in OpenClaw, Codex or any LLMs. If you are using, this will help you for memory persistence. This will save the all your context of your projects in your locally. Okay, by this you can save the tokens, millions of tokens. Okay, and you can use OpenClaw also. This is the product link is this Claude Mem. If you search on Google, this will come, and I also mentioning in description and comment section, you can use this. Okay, and here is the very beautiful way of they are installation guide giving in great way. Okay, if you want to use Gemini provider memory search how to use, or direct if you want to direct use, just like me, go to simply add. What I mean, I tell you one thing, just copy this URL and paste in your Claude Code, Codex CLI, OpenClaw. Just say this we want to use as a memory. So okay, memory saver. Simple thing. Second product I want to tell you is this mem0, and this is also a memory saver, same as Claude Mem. And third one is also I want to share. This is the very beautiful way. Super memory is best for, because you love this because of UI, and this will connect with your OpenCloud, Claude Code, or OpenClaw. These three layer you can use, and this also support on extension if there is. And if you want to use directly in your MCP server, just paste this in your terminal. If you are using Copilot, if you are using any CLI cursor or windsurf, anything, just copy this and they will automatically add. Or if you want to install specifically in a project, you can use this npm install super memory. Okay, this is very helpful. Just like this give you architecture, just like this is your website or app. In this there is a layer of the super memory, and the super memory have their engines, memory engine. In memory engine they extract facts, track data, resolve contradictions, and auto forward the expiry info. Okay, so they save this all the things in structured way. So this video help you this video help you in the way of how the context memory helps in LLMs. The main problem is when you LLMs forget the context of your project, or if you close the VS Code or anti-gravity, and again you are restarting the things, the LLM forgot your context. So these projects help you and save you millions of tokens. Okay, or again this memory helps in other architecture also. If you are running a agent team or sub agent architecture, so every agent, if you give the memory, so and talking to each other each agent, that also help you in context memory. Okay, I recommend you to use this super memory for your project, or if you are using Claude Code, to use this Claude Mem, or if you are using OpenClaw or other things, so you can directly use this super memory or this one Claude Mem. Both are the very beautiful projects. Okay, thank you so much for video.